RCBC Pulz Review and Sign Up Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review RCBC Pulz and show you how to sign up on it. In which all you need to do is simply go to your Play Store and kindly search for this RCBC Pulz and kindly click the install button in here. Now, as you can see, I'm currently installing it right now. But before that, if you don't know what is RCBC, it is the latest digital banking application launched by the Rizal Commercial Bank Corporation, designed to provide a comprehensive and user-friendly banking experience, in which this app allows customers to open accounts without a minimum balance and offers a range of innovative features aimed at enhancing convenience and security. And users can perform various transactions such as depositing or withdrawing funds using QR codes, depositing checks via photo capture, and transferring money both locally and internationally. And now, after installing this application, we can now proceed by start opening it, in which upon opening it, you will be able to be directed on this page, and it will ask you to log in or sign up. And in this option, I'm going to sign up, and from here, you have asked, do you have an existing RCBC account or credit card? But I'm going to choose I want to open a new RCBC account, and click continue button. Then you will be able to be directed on this page, so you can start clicking this one, and it will show you some of the steps. Then just click let's get started in here, and then this page just simply click the terms and condition, in which you can start reading it or understand it before you start clicking or scrolling down in here. Then proceed I agree button, indicating that you agree to the terms and condition. Moving on to this client acknowledgement, just do the same thing and click agree, and from here just click the continue button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do to set up your account is to simply enter here your mobile number and also your email address. Then click the continue button to proceed. In which from here, you are required to simply enter your user ID, which must have at least 8 characters and must not have special characters or symbols. When after entering your user ID in here, just click the continue once again, and you will be able to be directed on this page, where all you need to do is to simply enter here your password. And also make sure to follow all of these requirements or qualifications, such as must have at least 8 characters, must have at least 1 lowercase, and at least 1 uppercase in here, must have at least 1 number, and must not contain the user ID, and must not have spaces. And after entering your password, just click the continue button. And after that, you will be able to receive a confirmation code that has been sent via SMS. So from here, all you need to do is to simply enter here the code, and after entering it, you'll now be able to be directed on the next stage, wherein it will show you in here that you are now almost there. And you also need to ready your valid ID in you, since it is needed in verifying or creating your account in here. And it says here that when taking a photo, place your eye against a dark or flat surface, and make sure to take your selfie in a well-lit room. Then remove your glasses, cap, or any accessories. And now from here, just simply choose your ID type that you have, such as driver's license, passport, postal ID, and any other identification. After selecting your preferred ID, you just simply need to capture it in here by clicking the capture button. So now, as you can see, I've now successfully input or capture my passport in here. And after that, just proceed by simply clicking the next button below here. And from this page, the next thing that you need to do under this capture details is to simply capture a selfie. And it says here that please take a clear selfie in a good lighting condition. And after successfully taking a selfie, just click the submit button below here. Then you will be directed on this page, and it will show you that they have now successfully filled out the required information, and at this point they are now currently reviewing your application in here. So from here, all you need to do is to wait for their confirmation to whether or not you're accepted to have your account on RCBC, in which if you got accepted by entering all of the details correctly, you will be able to enjoy some of the feature that the bank offers, including a wide range of products and services, and also customer commercial and corporate lending, deposits, cash management solutions, treasury products, remittance services, and mobile banking. And with a commitment of innovation, RCBC has positioned itself as a leader in digital banking and sustainable finance. And the organization is dedicated to enhance customer experience through award-winning services and pioneering financial solutions, and ultimately supporting individuals, communities, and businesses in their growth and prosperity, since RCBC emphasizes professional growth for its employees and strives to deliver optimal returns for its stockholders. But overall, that is just basically how you can sign up on RCBC Pulz. Thank you.